Hey all, welcome to ShareTrack. This is Raj here. Once again, let me apologize to you for sounding a bit nasal. I'm suffering from an allergy and I have taken antihistamines, so I should be fine in a while. But I had to record these videos now so that it can be edited and launched on time. So please bear with me as I wheeze through this session. But we need to take stock of our genomic stocks, and that's what we are trying to do in this particular video. So please continue watching. Let's get started. Welcome back, friends. Here we are in our TradingView platform, and I'm looking at the Genomics watch list. And at the top, I have the biggest gainer, which was Caribou Biosciences with a gain of 7.67% today. And when I say today, I mean 24th March 2023, 9:21 p.m. That's when I'm recording this video. So it's end of day Friday after market closed. And I can see that we are in a bear channel. I'm just going to extend this bear channel so that we can have the lines clearly visible for us. So we have not made much progress, but 7.67%, I will take that any day in this given situation for Caribou Biosciences. Just quickly checking whether there is any news. There is no new news for the catalyst. The momentum was absolutely rock bottom and it bounced back just into the civilization zone. MACD is still bearish, a long way to go for Caribou Biosciences. Pacific Bio was up 4% today. And MACD is looking good. Momentum is also looking very good. It has bounced back really well. And it is still in a bear channel. And it has got resistance from this line, a diagonal line of resistance, which was earlier a line of support. And we also have a resistance out here, which is a diagonal line of resistance of the bear channel in which it is currently present and it's traveling. And it has the support of all the three exponential moving averages, as you can see out here. So that's one positive that we have. The next support for it is going to be the 200 days exponential moving average, which is this white line out here, and it's sitting at 9.47. And right now, PACB is at 9.61. And if I look at the MACD and the momentum, I feel encouraged that it's going to test those resistances. And then let's look at DNA, which is again something I'm looking at very, very carefully. Because as you guys remember, I bought 1200 DNA for around 1.48 or 46, I forget. I'm just waiting for it to come up to that level so that I can sell it and release my money. It's been really struggling out here. There is no new news to the best of my knowledge. Yeah, so there is nothing out here. Intelia was up 3.01% today. Again, it's in a consolidation range in the downward side. And I will just draw a minor line of support out here, which I think is going to help hold. This minor line of support is going to hold for a while. And our MACD is bearish and momentum is also below average. So I can't say much about it, but I'm glad it got 3% today. Bluebird is eking out a 0.08 cent change, which accounts around 1.84%. It's on a very, very steep bear channel. Not at all happy about it. Let's hope that during the earnings, we get some information about Zynteglo sales and SkySona tie-ups and other things. And that can be a potential catalyst to move this up. And in anticipation, I can see the momentum moving up and the MACD is slightly positive. And the expectation is that the EPS should be minus 38 cents per share, and the revenue estimate is 972.57K. Let's hope for the best and see what happens. The earnings are due on the 29th, which is a Wednesday, and it's going to be pre-market on Wednesday. So Wednesday is a big day for Bluebird. Illumina is up 1.41%. And of course, you know, Carl Icahn is having a battle going on out there. And if he were to prevail and we get rid of this Grail obsession, then I think Illumina would do well. There is some more news that Carl Icahn has provided. He says that top management had taken some serious insurance against personal liability for the Grail deal. So it's getting a bit murky out here. We need more information. And let's hope for the best. I'll try to make a separate video on Illumina once I get some more information. So watch out for that. And then we have Genomics, which gained 0.92%, but it's still on a bear curve out here. Invitae was up 0.78, again, bear channel. And CRISPR Therapeutics was up 0.67%, again in a bear channel. I don't see a trend reversal as yet. And Editas was up 0.54. Again, it's broken out of this wedge triangle out here, the descending triangle. And it seems like the resistance of the triangle is now going to become a support. So that's one positive thing I can see out there. Otherwise, MACD and momentum is not looking great. Verve Therapeutics was up 0.49%, but look at the chart. It's really horrible, very weak. Beam Therapeutics was up 0.16%. And it's fallen below the line of support of the bear channel. So I'm going to mark this red. And it's going to be a struggle for this share to come up because momentum is very weak, and also MACD is very bearish, and we need some positive catalyst out there. Let's see if there is any new news out here. And Allogene is down minus 0.59%, and it's in a bear channel, and MACD momentum, everything is looking bad. SQZ Biotech down minus 24%. My God, what's happening with this stock? And there's that Nasdaq notice. I don't know what they're going to do about it. We'll find out. We'll learn something new with this. Nasdaq being positive, I think there is going to be opportunity for many of these genomic shares to notch out a little bit more of greens. But I don't know if it is sustainable because bad news can always be around the corner. We are not out of the woods yet. But Nasdaq typically looks pretty good, so I'm drawing a little bit of inspiration from there, but I won't bet the house on that. So with that said, I would like to bring this video to an end. I would like to hear from you guys how your portfolio is performing, the genomic portfolio, and also give me your opinion on what's happening with these various stocks that we are watching out here. And I'll like to hear your opinions so that I can also expand my thought process. With that said, I'll catch up with you again. Bye for now.